Minimum Wages Act 1948. The Royal Commission on Labour recommended in a report that the workers should be given such wages that they may fulfill the minimum needs of their life. But it was seen that the rate of wages was very low in organized sector. In 1944, the Labour Investigation Committee was set up by the Government of India under the chairmanship of D.V. Rege, which submitted its report in 1946. After considering the reports, the central government finally passed an act in 1948 called Minimum Wages Act 1948. Introduction. The central government has enacted the act and it extends to the whole of the country. The appropriate government is responsible for implementation of this act. It is also called protective or wage legislation. Scope and coverage. This act is applied to working people of scheduled employment in the country. A schedule is mentioned in the act which is further classified into Part 1 and Part 2. The Part 1 contains the work related to industrial sector and Part 2 contains the work related to agricultural sector. It has been stated that the appropriate government, as per necessity, may include the name of any employment in this schedule after notification in Official Gazette. Eligibility condition. The government shall fix the minimum wage for any scheduled employment if the said employment comprises at least 1000 employees. Procedure for fixation of minimum wage. There are two procedures to fix the minimum wage. The first one is committee method. If the government wants to fix minimum wages by the committee method, then a committee shall be constituted by the government comprising equal number of representatives of the employer as well as worker of that scheduled employment. Equal to one third of both representatives shall be government representative. The government representative shall be independent person, one of whom shall act as the chairman of the committee. Among the government representatives, one shall be an economist and one labor expert. In the committee, all the representatives shall fix the minimum wages by mutual conversation, and lastly, it shall be submitted to the government. When the government publish the new minimum wages rate in the official gazette, then it shall be implemented after 3 months of its publication. The second method is notification method. If the government wants to fix the minimum wages by this method, it shall publish a notification related to fixation of minimum wages in the official gazette. In it, the government shall notify that it is going to fix the minimum wages for under mentioned employment and work. So the person related to it or the person to be affected by it should send their views to the government within 2 months. Keeping in view all these consideration and condition, minimum wages shall be fixed by the government and this rate of wages shall be considered to the implemented after 3 months of its publication in the official gazette. Revision of minimum wage. The revision of minimum wage shall be made by the government at an interval of 5 years. But if the minimum wage is not reviewed even after the completion of 5 years, in that condition, the previous wage rate shall be applicable. In a special situation, the government may revise wage rate before 5 years. If a dispute related to minimum wage is pending in any jurisdiction, machinery of Industrial Dispute Act, then the government shall not revise the minimum wage till the reward of that dispute. Minimum Wage Advisory Board. The appropriate government shall constitute an advisory board consisting of representative of employer and worker in equal number. There shall be representatives of government equal to the one-third number of total of employers and workers representative. The one member of government shall be the chairperson, and one member of each from employees and workers representative shall be vice chairman. It has been mentioned that the government may not take the advice of this board in case of fixation of wages, but at the time of its revision, the advice of advisory board is necessary. Wages in kind. The appropriate government shall determine the minimum wage for any work in the form of kind, partially or fully. Form of wages. The appropriate government shall determine the minimum wages in three forms. The first one is basic wage. The government shall determine basic wage only for any work. Second one is basic wage plus dearness allowance. The government shall determine basic wage and DA for any work. Third one is lump sum amount. The government shall determine a lump sum amount for any work. Basis of minimum wages. The appropriate government shall determine the basis of minimum wages on the following basis. The first one is on the basis of time. The appropriate government shall determine the minimum wages on the basis of normal working hours like per week, per hour, per day, etc. Second one is on the basis of unit. The appropriate government shall determine wages on the basis of unit for any work like per dozen, per hundred, per cubic feet, etc. Third one is guaranteed rate. The government shall determine guaranteed rate of minimum wage for any kind of work. And the last one is overtime work. The government shall determine minimum wage for overtime work. Claim. The government shall appoint adequate number of authority who will deal with the cases of claim settlement. The authority shall give its decision after proper verification. If the wage rate is paid less than the fixed minimum wage rate, then the authority shall order to pay the amount up to 10 times of that much amount. In other circumstances, the authority shall order to pay the amount in addition to rupees 10 extra.